Hi everyone, my name is Adam Crahen and welcome to my course, Tableau Desktop Specialist, Creating and Modifying a Dashboard. I am the Director of Analytics, Practices, and Enablement here at Pluralsight, and I'm also a former Tableau Zen Master. Tableau is an industry-leading data visualization tool, and this course is part of our path to the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification. In this course, you will learn how to build a dashboard in Tableau. Some of the major topics we will cover include understanding pre-attentive attributes and how they are used in data visualization, creating a dashboard and adding mobile layouts, and finally, we will explore adding interactivity using dashboard actions. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of how to build a dashboard to bring your story to life in Tableau Desktop. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Tableau Desktop's primary purpose, have a general knowledge of navigating through the tool, and know how to connect your data. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Tableau with courses on understanding dimensions versus measures and discrete versus continuous fields, understanding aggregations, and building effective dashboards in Tableau Desktop. I hope you'll join me on this journey to prepare for the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification exam with the Tableau Desktop Specialist Creating and Modifying a Dashboard course at Pluralsight.